Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is truly beautiful. This full cut crease look with chocolate brown eyeshadow and gold glitter is a fantastic color combination. You can recreate it in under 5 minutes for parties or any occasion you desire. So if you want to try this eye makeup look, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. I used the orange eyeshadow from this palette as a base using a blending brush or a fluffy brush. Apply the eyeshadow all over your eyelids to ensure full coverage. You can also choose the eyeshadows for this makeup look from your favorite eyeshadow palettes. In any case, I wrote the product information in the description section, so you can check it there. Additionally, I applied the eyeshadow to the crease area and blend it well. Next, I dip my brush into the dark brown eyeshadow and using a foam-tipped applicator, I apply the eyeshadow close to the lash line on my eyelid as if I'm drawing an eyeliner. I extend the eyeshadow towards the outer corner of the eyelid. We usually have this type of brush, but we don't use it frequently, so it can be useful for this eye makeup look. You can also use a smaller brush for this step. I create a wing shape at the outer corner of my eyelid and then I apply the eyeshadow to the crease area, blending it towards the wing to connect them. It might be challenging at first, but gradually you can become proficient in this technique. I also try to use this brush to make the lines smoother for a cleaner appearance. After this step, it's time to blend the dark brown eyeshadow. Switch to a larger fluffy brush and make sure to allocate enough time. Focus on blending the eyeshadow to achieve a soft, smoky effect. I know that blending eyeshadow can be tiring, especially when you're getting ready for a special event, so make sure to set aside enough time to blend the eyeshadow until you're satisfied with the result. Also, if you notice any harsh lines at the outer corner of your eyelid, don't worry, we will fix them by using a concealer and a brush. Next, take your favorite concealer. We are going to perform the full cut crease technique using a small brush. Apply the concealer precisely in the center of your eyelid with care. I don't recommend using a creamy concealer, which I'm using, because it tends to create harsh lines when applied, resulting in a messy cut crease. It's better to use a concealer that dries quickly to a matte finish, as it will make your work easier. It's time for the glitter part, my favorite. I take a flat brush and apply the gold glitter onto the area covered with concealer. This eye makeup is incredibly versatile and super easy. I highly recommend trying it at least once. See how glitter enhances the beauty and adds a sparkling touch to your eye makeup. I absolutely love it. I fix the harsh lines above the cut crease area with a brush and I remove any harsh lines at the outer corner of my eyelid using a brush and concealer. This makes our eyes look more elongated and beautiful. You can use tape from the beginning for easier application. Also use a sponge to blend any remaining concealer. Next, it's time for the lower lash line. I use a small flat brush to apply the orange eyeshadow from this palette along the entire lower lash line. Then I use the dark brown shade with the same brush in that area and blend it well. You can even use a combination of black and brown eyeshadow for the lower lash line if you prefer. Our eye makeup is complete. To finish off the look, I use false eyelashes. Thank you for watching this video so far. This eye makeup was truly beautiful and super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chasing these feels feeling every day. All I wanna hear